Now, what about a few stocking fillers for
Yes.
your best friend who's a keen gardener? What do you reckon, Elaine?
So we've got seedling widger, absolutely indispensable, especially at seedling time, mostly the springtime. Some handy little mini snips for all of those little trimming details. And I really like this. I think this is a wonderful little tool just to sort of keep on your belt, a sharpening steel, making sure that all of the tools that you're using are sharp all the time. And then, of course, a seed tray tamper, again, for the seedling area. And if you're feeling a little bit more
Generous,
generous, or if anybody would be interested in buying me something like this, there's the snips with a holster. And I do like to walk around the garden with a holster, as you know.
Yeah, you love a holster. And there are a couple little books too here. So our very own 3 Grow Bags Beginner's Veg book, and of course the lovely A Plant for Each Week of the Year, written by
It's been so popular.
4th reprint we're on now. But this is A Plant for Each Week of the Year, written by our columnist Louise Sims.